So today I will discuss about all the wipes that I have used for my baby. Now these are wet wipes as we know, and you can use these for several purposes. Like the first is obviously to wipe baby's bum, and the second is to wipe the baby, on days where you don't want to bathe the baby. You can just use these wipes to just kind of polish them, so to say. So these were the first, and I've still preserved this particular pack. I think initially it came in a sale of sorts, a pack of 6 wipes. So this is the maximum that I have used in my for my baby, because she was a winter baby when she was born. We would not really wash her every time, and when babies are born, they poop very little. So the idea was that we would use these wipes to clean her bum. And these are nice, actually. They say that it's extra thick, and it actually is extra thick. This is something we used in the initial years of her life, like when she was like 3 4 months. It doesn't have a very like fragrance of sort, like it's pretty mild that way. And yes, this is expensive, but I don't know, in the package it was the cheapest wipe I found at that point of time, and it's a trusted brand, Mother's Purse, right? The next time when she grew up a little bit, I went ahead with this one. Now this was the time when I was not particularly using wipes to wipe her bum. I was also using it to maybe clean her neck folds and hands, because she started wandering around and all of getting herself a little dirty. She started feeding through bottle and all of that, so just to maybe wipe her mouth and all of that. And it's good because it has a lot of fragrance, so it actually gives you that baby fragrance. And these are more moist than the earlier one, like the Mother's Part. So this is slightly more on the watery side, I would say. And I think this was one of the major reason why my baby got a rash, because I would just wipe her bum at times with this and just put the diaper on, not realizing that the moisture has not really dried out completely. So you have to be a little cautious with that. Later what I started doing was, after wiping it using these wipes, I would actually use a dry tissue paper to completely take off the moisture from her bum, so that there were no rashes of sorts. And very recently, I was introduced to these junior senior baby wet wipes. I'm crazy about their diapers. I have mentioned it in my earlier videos also. You can have a look at my diaper videos. And these are the best combination of Johnson Baby and Mother's Purse, because it has Johnson Baby's fragrance, but it is slightly milder, because Johnson Baby is like too loud and out there. It's like a baby perfume of sorts. This is slightly mild, and also the the tissues are pretty, what you can say, that they're pretty light. So it's not like overpowering. Also, the only drawback I saw was that this click thing, because when you have something like this, it you can maintain the hygiene. Also, the your wet wipes don't dry out anytime soon. But see, already I'm not going to use this for my baby anymore, because I don't know, it must have been lying somewhere and there are some dried flower petals here on it. So it's already like it's started getting dirty, and it will spoil the tissues inside it, so not very hygienic. And I know that these will dry out very soon, because I will lose this in the bag of sorts, like when I keep it in the bag, this will disappear. So that was the whole story about this. If you want to know more about baby products, if you want to know anything related to pregnancy or delivery, or about babies, do drop your comments in the comment section below. I'll see you again. Thank you.